Today we come up with a modern double-story home with elegant exterior and interior. These homeowners wanted to have a variety of home that was different from the usual sites. That is how this variety house was born. A highlight of this house is the beautifully stretched stonework front. The house is built from the plot to the back. This gives the front and side of the house a very spacious look. The front yard and side yard of the house gives a very spacious look to the house. The house is done in an ultra-modern style. The flat roof provided by the white and grey theme gives this house an asymmetric look. The car porch is given as a parallel to the seating area. A courtyard is given on the front to link the car porch and the stout. The toughened glass canopy is used for this purpose. It gives an aesthetic look. The front door is designed in a natural veneer. Using a sleek handle enhances the beauty of the door. The full-height window along with the seating at the front gives it a very elegant look. Side wall designed in stone cladding. Given the long steps in the sit-out, it adds a lot of beauty. Another thing to note here is that like in any home, the ceiling fan is not given, instead the wall fan. They gave a lot of attention to maintaining the ceiling's beauty. The interior is a very ultra-model to see when we enter the house. Visible dining, living and family living from the entrance itself add to the beauty of the home. Another highlight of this house is that each space is separated by wooden work. The biggest highlight of this house is the double-height living room. Double height gives it a more spacious look and enhances the lighting and cross-ventilation. Here too the wall fan and long light are used with matching furniture. The textured color wall doubles the beauty of this living room. Indoor plants also enhance the beauty of the living room. Next is access from the living room to the dining area. Nano white top for the dining table boosts the house a cozy look. Directly from the dining area is the family living space where the sofa and TV unit are set up. The front view circle window plays a key role in providing fresh air and lighting indoors. A false ceiling is given and the profile light is set on it. Setting up a wash basin next to the dining area wall is a great idea. The TV unit is housed in a ply lamination combination. Wood cladding is done on the ceiling in family living. A sleek fan is used in it. Entry is given from the dining room to the staircase and rooms. Next we are going to check the bedrooms. This is the vast spaced pretty bedroom. Ceiling works are done very simple style. Double cot bed, beautiful curtains and wardrobes are arranged here. LED warm lights bring the feel-good ambience to this bedroom. Second bedroom is designed differently from previous one. Ceiling works are done in elegant white color with LED warm lights. TV unit, dressing area and a workspace are also available here. Give an easy entry from dining to kitchen. The kitchen is designed by giving importance to storage. Given the nano white countertop enhances the elegance of the kitchen. The combination of white and grey is used here in the kitchen. The staircase design is fascinating. The adjoining area has been turned into a utility area. Every space in this house is used very sparingly. The stair landing window adds lighting to the home. Upstairs through the staircase, there is a long hall set up for a family living. This family living is one of the highlights of this house. From here the visibility is extended from the living area to the wash basin area given in double height. Here you can enjoy the beauty of the double height window in the living room. Two bedrooms are designed in first floor. This is the third bedroom. Let's check the arrangements. Fourth bedroom also designed very well. Simple ceiling works are used here. Beautiful wooden style wardrobes and curtains are arranged here. A front balcony is provided from the living room upstairs. From there you can enjoy the entire plot view of this house. The staircase is given a toughened glass with a wooden framework. The combination of wood and white color is the highlight of the ultra design of this house. Used furniture and lighting play a major role in this. That is the reason why the beauty of this house is increasing.